Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One, coming to you on Thursday, May the 11th. The year's 2023. Let's talk trading. Trading with Walmal. These videos are for educational purposes only. Your results may differ from mine and different from Walmal's. Walmal, we just had a couple of red news events so far today.
Yeah, it's been a busy day in terms of news, and it's funny because right now we're sitting at about a 76 pip range for the day, and yesterday's range for the entire day was 78 pips. Now, that's not saying that it's going to get bigger than that, but it's comparatively speaking for the last couple of days. When we've been doing these videos, it's been like something ridiculous, like 40 pips or something. So it's we had some movement, so that makes me happy.
Yeah, well, let's see. Yesterday's range was 77, and today's is only 75. I mean, let's see. 6 days ago we had something over 100, and then we've dropped. I mean, I'm, this is just really bad.
Yeah, it's just been very, very compressed. That doesn't mean you can't make money. It just means that maybe it's a little bit tougher.
Right.
So, and sometimes actually it's not that bad because what can happen is you can have a range where you only got 76, 78 pips for the day, but it runs from top to bottom, and you can make money on the travel. Just don't expect to make money on a big swing move of some sort. But if you're willing to go and run travel, then sometimes you can make more money because it'll go from from the bottom side to the top side to the bottom side to the top side.
Right.
And, it's just that you got to put more time in because it takes time for that to happen. But in any case, we're sitting here. I'm just looking at, I know you love these buzzard reversals, and you got a perfect buzzard reversal right here, I think, on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it came out of the flip-flop box.
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, the candle before, because we had three downs, that it went down, and then that fourth candle one was a bear candle. Then it reversed and went to the upside right at 96. So
Yeah, you could have gotten out with, at least on my chart, you could have gotten out with, like 1.8 pips, which would have been nice.
right.
But right now we got a flip-flop box, but we are on the top end of the box, and we're below indicator 2, so that's a little bit chancy, and we're right up against the double O. So I probably would want to get to the other side of the indicator 2, and also break the double O. And we got a new flip-flop box that moved over one candle because we have a new state change. So
Well, we don't have not
here
on.
we go.
That's funny. Not on my
There
chart. Yeah, there you go.
So I took that trade, and right now I'm up a half a pip. We'll see where it goes. Now it's the waiting game. Does it give me it or not? There we go. Come on, a little bit further. Got a pip and a half. 2 pips, I'm out. So, and that's just what I do, and that's how I do it. So I'm just, I know some traders have asked, how am I doing it? Well, right there is exactly what I do. Just wait for the opportunity, and then you got to be quick.
Right. And once again, that back to the big versus small.
Yep. And now I'm over core for the day, so technically I should be looking for a big, like yesterday video, I think it was, where I was looking for the big hit. That's what I really should be doing. But I just don't trust the market right now because the way it's moving, it's just not moving in big ways. And so I'm just not doing it. I did decide I put my TP in and said, okay, whatever it does, it does. And sometimes that's part of reading the market, I think, a little bit. Now, that's not to say this thing doesn't go and run all the way up to 2610 or something. It's just, that was just my read on the market.
Right.
So now I've got 3 up candles in a row. I got a flip-flop box, but I don't have a state change. I am above indicator 2.
Now you got a new flip-flop box.
Got a new flip-flop box and a state change and above indicator 2.
You got,
So
yeah, that's it.
2608 is my entry.
Yeah, so there's an inside bar.
Yep. Okay, I just got triggered. We'll see what happens. I'm only looking to get maybe a pip and a half on this. I'm not very confident in this trade, to be honest with you. We'll
There
see
you
what
go.
happens. Yep. It missed getting it. I actually hit it, but it didn't take me out. My TP didn't get hit for some reason. I don't know why, but it should have been. So now I'm getting a little concerned because it's going against me a little bit here.
Yeah,
Come on,
it
make another run up.
it put that one ball in, and then you got 1 second. Okay, here you go. And you got a new flip flop box at 02.
Yep.
You
Still
got
above indicator 2. That's why I'm still in the trade. So
right.
it closed above indicator 2.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's what it is. You know, this is trading. This is what you do all day long. Okay, it's coming back. Okay, I'm at break even again. Come on. Be a good boy. Sitting there, you're talking to your trades as if it's a human. All right. And I just took a loss. Took a 2-pip loss. Okay, that's just part of life, you know. So you saw, hey, traders, you saw me take a, 2-pip win and a 2-pip loss. And that's, what it is. And the sad thing about it was it hit my TP, but for some reason, the broker didn't take me out. I don't know why he didn't take me out, but he didn't.
Yeah, that's something you might want to say, hey, what happened?
Yeah, they'll just say market condition. There's nobody take the other side. And it's like, yeah, right. Okay, I'm short. I got in at 97.3. Okay, I'm out, and I got 2.1. Why did I go short there? I went short there because it was a flip-flop box. It hadn't gotten to the edge yet, but it came off. It went and put that little top up there on the top of that candle, and it was coming down. It was still red at the time, the candle, but it looked like it was pretty strong. It hit the indicator 2. As soon as it hit indicator 2, I jumped into the trade. This is just pure scalping,
Right.
But this is just how I do it. So, and then somebody would say, well, if you would have stayed in the trade a little bit longer, you'd be up there like 4 pips right now. You're right. I would be. That's not what I do.
Yeah, and that's one of the things is, to learn is first you read the market, then you stick to your plan, you set your target, and you take your target, and you don't worry about what happens after you hit your target.
You just wait for the next opportunity.
So we got a 2 ball in the bottom of this candle, and it's a bull candle, so it looks like, because normally I'd say red or green, but I'm using the black and white candles on this one, so that's why I say bull. So bull is green and white, and bear is black and red. So
right, right now we're under indicator 2. I do have a flip-flop box. I don't have a state change though. I'm going to go long if I cross the indicator 2. It's a little bit risky of a trade to take because I don't have the state change, but we'll see what happens on this candle. I've got 30 seconds left.
yeah, we're right in the middle, like the 50% retrace area between the last 2 1-minute 3 balls.
Okay, state change, I'm going to go short at 92. I'm in. Okay, I'm out with 2.1.
Nice.
And again, it went all the way down to the 90, and I could be mad, but hey, that's okay. Crop line still went down to the 90, went to the other side of 90, got all the way down to 88 on my chart. Not sure where it got to on yours.
88.4 on mine so far.
And so now we're sitting here with a waiting game. We probably don't have enough time for another trade to come in. But, traders, you saw me take one loss. You saw me take 2 wins.
3 wins.
And in that period of...
You had 3 wins. You had a win
3
long,
wins, right.
a loss long, and then 2 wins short.
Right. So, basically in my win side, I'm up about 6 pips. I took a 2 pip loss, so I'm basically up 4 pips. And it's in 15 minutes, and people say you can't make money on that. Well, the thing is, it all comes down to how much do you risk on that. You saw I got out real quick on that loss. Wasn't willing to let it run against me. So, that's just how you have to play that type of a game. Because we only got, on this video, I think we only got enough time for another 2 minutes, so I don't see another trade coming up. Although we could take a short here at 89.4 if the market goes and cooperates. But I don't like it because we have an inside bar on the previous candle, and it just looks like it's starting to turn around and go back the other way. I know you don't like this because this would be coming off a 2 ball on the top to go short, but going long is a possibility, I guess.
No, we got a 2 ball on the bottom, so if anything, yeah, you could go long here.
Yeah.
But the one thing, though, you've got a 2 ball, and that candle on the 2 ball is a bear candle. So those are the ones where it usually consolidates. Whereas before, if you look left, there was a 2 ball on a bull candle. Okay, you took the long. Here you go.
I took the long. See what it does. Of course, it's going to go against me. I'm still up, but not up by very much.
Right.
Should have gotten out when I had the money. I got some money now. I'm hoping. I know hope is not a trading plan, but hey, it's what I'm doing.
Yeah, once you're in the trade, that's all you can do is hope. Let's see, it needs to get above here. Looks like it might run up. Nope. Might run to 92. Yeah. No.
I got out with 1 pip. I just didn't like the price action.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just got to do that. So I took 1 pip, and, it's not greatest, but hey, it's what you do sometimes.
Yeah. So, fellow traders, the fastest 15 minutes in trading is just about up. I hope you like watching the way we trade, how we analyze trades, how we manage trades. So tell us in the comments, maybe you can share something if you do something different, or if you do something, similar, let us know. And always remember, never forget, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So go out there and drain the banks. This is the Rumpled One, over and out.